I've cried in silence. I've paid my due. Now I wear my worth in diamonds and truth. This isn't about the ring, it's about respect. But also, yeah, your ring. I've settled before, not doing it again. No boy pretending he's a man. You want my heart, then bring the proof. Not just charm, but solid truth. I don't need saving, I don't need flash. But if I'm choosing you, you better match. I'm not impressed by good enough. I want a rare, bold, grown-up love. Don't waste my time, I've done that phase. Chasing boys who play charades. Now I want deep, I want short, I want flame. And yes, I want a rock that screams my name. 20 carat canary cut, not for sure. It's the standard when you truly grow. This ain't about gold digging scenes, it's about legacy and loving like queens. If you see me right. This isn't fantasy, this is life. Don't come at me with halfway shine. I'm a woman who's walked the line. I've been the backburner, I've been the fool. I played by rules they made in school. Now I'm the author of my fate, and glitter's just how I decorate. It's not the diamond, it's what it says. I want a partner who holds my gaze, someone who shows up, stands tall. And if there's a ring, let it say it all. I've built myself, I've earned this ground. Every scar a jewel in my crown. So if you're asking me to stay, you better know what that display should say. 20 carat canary cut, grown in gold, for a love that's fierce and beautifully bold. Not for status, not for fame, but to honor how far I came. No more maybe, no more half-light. It's me in full, not just polite. So if you want this love that glows, don't show up cheap, show up composed. I've loved in silence, I've been too fit. Now I want joy and all of it. Not drama, not debt, not stress in disguise, but a partner who meets my right why. 20 carat canary cut. I won't lie, I like a little sparkle when we touch the sky. I bring the warmth, the storm, the grace. Now bring the ring that knows my place. Don't mistake me for a girl who wait. I'm a woman with a diamond fate. So shine it up, come real and clear. If you want forever, make it appear.